Now here's what we've got to look for is a period. That should be pretty straightforward. There it finds all those characters. Now we come into trouble because it's not consistent anymore. We've got a large number of characters here, short number here. How do we find all these? Well, what we've got to do is come in and use one of these magic characters, a wildcard. Here you can see we've got any digit, any letter, any character, any white space, but this is the one I want here, any word character. So we'll just search for any word character, and of course if I hit find next, it does that. It finds the www.c, but I want it to find everything until it comes to the end of a word character. So I'll put in a plus there. So keep on going till you come to a non-word character. Find, 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 find. Doing pretty well now. So then we want to find another period. That's straightforward. We can just type the period in. And now we need to find the .com or the .net in this particular case. So that would be the same. We can just go wildcards, any word character, and then put in our plus sign. Find, find, find. Great. Now we want to find the next group, which is the parentheses, the quotes again. So I can just type that in manually, same as the very first one, like that. And let's just click away and hit find, find. So now we'll find all the addresses. Now what we want to do is change to what? And here's where we define our groups. And the group is defined by a $sign. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, like that. 1 between the brackets here is Group 2, and the end one's Group 3. Now eventually I'm going to delete these, but just let me say if I wanted to change just this to bold but not the quotes, I just leave these two out like this and search what? We'll search anything, but we'll change the format to, let's make it italic for a change. Italic like that, clicking OK, find next, change, and there it's italic. But notice it got rid of our quotes as well because we didn't have them in there. So if we wanted them to stay in, we'd have to come back, hit the $1, and I'll leave one in and not the other. So we can see it. We'll leave the last one out, change all, made 5 replacements like that. Notice how it gets rid of the last one. I'll undo that, and then I'll do what I really want to do here. I'll just put this one in the trash, and this time I'll just change it to a different font for fun. Let's come down and see what we can use. Let's just change it to Courier, and we'll choose Courier Bold, like that. Change all. Oops, that's because I've got the text selected. Change all like that, and it changed them all. Very, very powerful feature. A little bit tricky to use, but you can go ahead and use the special characters. That definitely helps. And there's some custom ones. For example, if you just want to get rid of straight double typographer's quote, it'll come in and change those. Actually, that's a text one there. But multiple return to single return, that's a GREP change. Look at this, and you can check the codes to see how that works. Again, I'm no expert in this, but it is just incredibly powerful for your find and change.